How to use PayPal on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use PayPal on your Temu account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use PayPal on Temu, all you have to do is just go to temu.com and then you'll set this type of interface. Now Temu does accept PayPal whenever you're checking out, but it also really depends upon the seller. If the seller has allowed PayPal, you'll be able to actually get them, but if they have not, you'll not be able to get them. So to figure this out, once you come to temu.com and then you shop for a product, you just go to the checkout page of that product, and when you basically go to the checkout page of the product, you'll be able to see this where you can submit the order. But if you basically just select submit order option here and then you scroll over here, you should be able to see payment methods. So you can pay with your card, and you can also choose to pay with PayPal. So if you want to select PayPal, you can select PayPal here and then just select the submit order option. You can select 10 minutes to submit over here. Once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your product details, and then you'll be able to order them as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use PayPal on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.